Friday. I mean, lockdown abhi bhi chal raha hai, but work from home scenes are on and I can't wait for the weekend to begin. But for now, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री, bringing you the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. And if you want the Bollywood updates round the clock, go check out the Zoom Facebook page. But for now, have a look at the top stories of the day. All the latest updates in Sushant's case. Most memorable on-screen features of Bollywood. Our in-house style expert Tanumita is back today, who will be doing a special segment for us. Sushant's sister Shweta opens up about when he asked her sister to fly to India to watch MS Dhoni.
Just a procedural matter in NDPS Act. That's what we are following. Okay. And kindly let us do our job. That is what the request.
Okay. सर कहाँ सर चल रहा है सर आज तक से बात करते हुए सर कहाँ चल रहा है सर
Please, two places, Ria's house and Samuel Miranda's.
The official investigation and the continuing trial by the media has created some sensational revelations in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. In a latest development, the NCB team from Delhi has conducted raids at the residences of Rhea Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda. Here are all the latest updates in the matter. It seems hard to believe that over 80 days have passed away since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, and sadly, we are nowhere closer to the truth. Every day, we're just getting deeper and deeper into the web of accusations and conspiracy theories. The many angles and interrelated issues have just painted a picture of how lonely Sushant was leading up to the days of his demise and how none of his loved ones could save him from a tragic fate. First update. Bombay High Court has urged the media to report responsibly in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. While the quest for justice may be genuine, several times in the past 2 months it has been felt that the media may have overstepped its bounds. Now, as per reports on a legal website, the Bombay High Court has passed an order urging the media to limit their reporting when it comes to Sushant Singh Rajput's investigation and stop reporting in a manner that can hamper the ongoing investigation. This order comes after 2 PILs were filed questioning the manner in which the media has covered the actor's demise. Recently, Rhea Chakraborty had also asked for police protection as she was afraid of the media persons thronging outside her residence. Second update. Souvik Chakraborty summoned by NCB on Saturday. After chats revealed a possible connection between suppliers of banned substances, Rhea and her brother Souvik Chakraborty, the NCB had made some crucial arrests in the case. One of the arrested individuals has allegedly told the NCB that he knows Souvik. Another series of chats has also reportedly been uncovered, which points towards Souvik being a part of a group where the purchase and sale of banned substances was discussed. The NCB has now summoned Souvik for questioning on Saturday, where he is likely to be quizzed about his alleged interactions with these cartels. Third update.
Indrajit ji, will Rhea cooperate, sir? Will Rhea cooperate, sir? Will Rhea cooperate? When will Rhea go?
CBI interrogates Rhea Chakraborty's father, Indrajit Chakraborty, for 5 hours. After grilling Rhea, her brother Souvik and other key individuals who were present at Sushant's home when he passed away or were closely associated with the actor, the CBI has now questioned Rhea's father, Indrajit Chakraborty, for 5 hours.
Will Rhea cooperate, sir? Will Rhea cooperate, sir? Will Rhea cooperate? When will Rhea go?
He was reportedly asked about the family's financial dealings, allegations that he too was consuming banned substances, which his son Souvik was sourcing as per newly unearthed chats, Rhea and Sushant's relationship and breakup, and allegations that he had given Sushant heavy medications. We will keep bringing you all the updates in this case and keep you informed of all important developments. Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti, who frequently shares updates and old memories of the actor, has now shared 2 new posts, where she talks about the triumph of truth and recalls how Sushant had called her to watch his film MS Dhoni in 2016.
My brother has become Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Sushant's sister Shweta has been keeping Sushant's memories alive by sharing old pictures and videos of the actor on her social media page. She also motivates his fans to keep seeking justice for her late brother. Soon after the actor's demise, she had shared a screenshot of their conversation where she had invited him to her home in US. Over the past 2 months, she has shared multiple old videos and photos of the late actor with his sisters who doted on their youngest sibling.
Sushant's family and fans have been waiting for closure for over 2 months now. The loss of a young actor has led to many aspects of the film industry being questioned. Whether it's the difficulties faced by an outsider, the loneliness, the cutthroat competition, or the use of banned substances, which is now a new angle being investigated in this case. Sadly, after the loss of a loved one, all you have is the memory associated with the person gone. And here in this case, the family and friends are still seeking closure.
Shweta shared 2 posts recently on social media where she attempted to inspire Sushant's fans and also shared a special memory of the actor to keep the fight for justice alive. सुशांत की बहन ने अपने सोशल मीडिया पेज पे गॉडेस काली का एक फोटो शेयर किया है और लिखा है कि सच्चाई शेर की तरह है which does not need to be defended. Shweta captioned her post, "The truth is like a lion. You don't have to defend it. Let it loose. It will defend itself. #Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput." Shweta, who has shared how she and Sushant were inseparable as children, has also shared another picture from their memories as a family and remembered how Sushant had asked her to fly down from the US so they could all watch his film MS Dhoni, The Untold Story together. The photo, which seems to have been clicked in October 2016, shows Sushant lying on a bed with 2 of his sisters. Both the sisters seem delighted at their brother's success, and it looks like they were teasing him about his stardom by arranging money around his face. Shweta captioned her post, "It was October of 2016. Bhai had asked me to fly down from USA so that all of us can watch Dhoni movie together in the theatre. I was so proud of him and so excited that I took the first plane I got to reach India and celebrate Bhai's success together. I miss you so much, Bhai. God, give me the strength to bear this loss. #my brother the best. Miss you, Bhai." Soon after, the fans of the late actor left comments and blessings for the family, hoping for justice. In the meanwhile, the CBI is continuing its investigation into Sushant's demise and shared its first statement after they took over the case. The CBI has come out strongly against fake news in the media and said in their statement, "The CBI is conducting investigation related to death of Sushant Singh Rajput in a systematic and professional way. It is requested that media may please confirm details from CBI spokesperson before quoting CBI. One can only hope that एक दिन speculations और sensationalism की जगह सच ले लेगी और सुशांत की फैमिली को इंसाफ मिलेगा। Taimur is adorable, and his mother Kareena loves posting pictures of him being, well, as cute as a kid can possibly be. Bebo shared another set of pictures of her Tim Tim, and safe to say, we are all gushing over him.
Kareena may be a style icon, a fabulous star and a superstar. But the role she enjoys playing the most is playing mother to her little Taimur Ali Khan. Kareena, who has spent months in lockdown, is all set to be a mother again soon, seems to be enjoying this time with her son, who is the youngest but the most popular celebrity of the Pataudi family.
Saif and Kareena have both been at home for the past 5 months almost, and while they have been giving interviews and reading scripts, It's also been a great opportunity for them to spend plenty of time with Taimur and enjoy doing regular kiddie stuff with him. Whether it's painting, potting plants, making pasta necklaces, or celebrating festivals, Taimur has had plenty of quality time with his parents as the lockdown shut down film shoots, delayed movie releases, and kept public areas closed. But his fans all around India who were missing his public appearances can thank mommy Kareena for regularly sharing pictures of Taimur, who only seems to be getting cuter as he gets older. It also seems like he enjoys art and craft, and Kareena often shares his artwork on her social media page, calling their in-house Picasso. Recently, she shared a picture of a lion that Taimur had made, and her friends Sonam Kapoor Ahuja and Amrita Arora and sister Ridhima Kapoor oohing and eyeing at both the little Nawab and his cute little drawing. Kareena captioned her post, "Who's the king of the jungle now?" Sonam, who is in London, commented on her friend's post and wrote, "Oof, he's so adorable, Bebo." His Masi Ridhima Kapoor Sahani wrote, "So cute." We can't agree more. Taimur is really sweet, and we can't wait to see what his sibling looks like. Guys, it's now time for me to welcome Tanumita, who will be doing a special segment for you all today, and I'm sure you will all enjoy her insights. Over to you, Tanumita.
Staying home doesn't mean not staying fashionable, and comfort clothing doesn't equal to sloppy. If you don't agree with me, take a look at some of your favorite Bollywood celebrities who have been working and also working out from home while making the time to participate in many virtual fundraising events and creating awareness about the pandemic. They have been role models not just as responsible citizens but also shown just how stylish comfort clothing can be. The lockdown meant that shootings were stalled, film releases were delayed, and all of Bollywood was suddenly at home. No airport looks, no red carpet looks, and definitely no expensive couture at award shows and on magazine covers. But here are some of the most popular trends I spotted as Bollywood's leading ladies hunkered down for a long stay at home. Number 1, pajamas. Nothing spells comfort like a nice pair of pajamas, whether you choose cotton, linen or silk. Sonam has always rocked the PJ look and was often spotted in designer pajama sets or comfy t-shirts and pajama combos as she divided time during the lockdown between Delhi, Mumbai and now London. Deepika was also spotted in pajamas early on during the lockdown as she started her productivity series. In fact, she even confessed that being in pajamas meant she could take a nap whenever she wanted. Number 2, shorts and t-shirts. The lockdown coincided with summertime, so it was no surprise to see quite a few celebrities opt for comfortable t-shirts and shorts to keep them cool. Sara Ali Khan, who has been working out religiously through the lockdown, looks great in a casual t-shirt and shorts and recently amped up her style quotient with some blue lipstick as well. Disha Patni is another actor who looks fabulous in shorts, whether it's denims to lounge around at home or longer shorts that she works out in, which are perfectly suited for her to flaunt her toned abs. Number 3, athleisure look. This has by far been the most popular look during the lockdown, with many B-Town divas sporting various styles and colors of comfortable athleisure clothing. Whether it's Anushka's gorgeous yellow top and grey yoga pants, Ananya Pandey's black crop top and biker shorts combo, or Alia, who flaunted her new haircut with her neon yellow tank top and dark blue track pants. Athleisure is great to motivate you to stay fit, but is still comfy enough to relax in. Number 4, kaftans. Kareena managed to set a new trend even during the lockdown by flaunting a lovely collection of printed kaftans that are just the perfect outfit for a hot summer in India. The kaftan is very versatile. It's loose-fitting and comfy enough to chill at home, but can easily be styled into a glam stay-at-home outfit. In fact, Kareena se inspired hoke her bestie Malaika also tried out her kaftan and messy bun lockdown look, and safe to say, she rocked it too.
Welcome to Bollywood Style Tracker. I am Tanumita, winner of Myntra Fashion Superstar and your style expert. From the boardroom to the bar, blazers are a versatile trend that have gotten a major makeover and has taken the center stage in fashion in the past few years. Here is a look at how Bollywood has been wearing this trend. One form of blazers that is making a comeback is the 80s oversized shoulder pads blazer. Jacqueline wore the same in an off-duty look. She layered her checker oversized blazer over a bodycon dress. This look is a crush. Priyanka Chopra gave the good old blazer a dress twist. She wore a satin double-breasted blazer dress that had gold button details and styled it with gold heels. Since her dress is so classy, I wish she would have skipped the loud makeup and would have gone for something subtle. This look will have to be a cringe for me. If you are taking your blazer for a night out, take a cue from Tara Sutaria. She wore a black crop top which she paired with a black wrap style mini skirt, and then added a long line oversized black blazer to make the look a tad bit more modest and polished. This look is a crush. If you are new to the blazer trend, then pick a classic black pantsuit look like Kareena Kapoor Khan's. For an event, she wore a black pantsuit which included a blazer, a top and a pair of fitted black trousers. She made the look glam with her makeup and voluminous hair. This classic look has to be a crush, and this is the look I'm going to be recreating as well. I'm sure you've got enough inspiration on how to work blazers in your favor. I'll be back with a lot more style tips in the next episode. Until then, keep it stylish.
Planet Bollywood में फिलहाल लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, we put together a list of the most memorable on-screen teachers and professors that Bollywood has had in recent times. ये sweet है, strict है, कभी-कभी sultry भी है, लेकिन each of these characters has been immensely memorable. Teachers are invaluable mentors and guides in our life. हम अपने पेरेंट्स के अलावा सबसे ज्यादा टाइम स्कूल या कॉलेज में अपने टीचर्स और प्रोफेसर्स के साथ बिताते हैं. And all of us almost have that one or two special teacher who really gave us the confidence and support when we needed it the most. इंडियन कल्चर में भी गुरु का स्थान सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट माना जाता है. And it's no surprise that movies में भी Bollywood में there are so many memorable characters that our celebrities have played and they have been loved. Let's have a look at that. On number 1, Sushmita Sen in Main Hoon Na. Who can forget Sushmita Sen playing Miss Chandani, a chemistry professor with a dazzling smile and elegant chiffon sarees to match. No wonder उनके आते ही violins बजने लगते थे और सारे लोग equation भूल जाते थे. On number 2, Aamir Khan in Taare Zameen Par. The most important role of a teacher is to appreciate,
that each student is different and has different skills. Aamir Khan's portrayal of a sensitive art teacher who helped a little boy with dyslexia achieve his potential will always be one of the most heartwarming performances by an actor playing the role of a school teacher. On number 3, Amitabh Bachchan in Black and Mohabbatein. Mr. Bachchan played a strict disciplinarian in Mohabbatein who believed in parampara, pratishtha and anushasan. And in Black, as Debrat Sahai, he was an eccentric but loving teacher who brought a severely disabled girl into the light of knowledge and hope. Both wonderful performances from Big B himself. On number 4, Shah Rukh Khan in Chak De India and Mohabbatein. He may have been an overgrown student in Main Hoon Na, but in Chak De, as a coach Kabir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan gave us one of his best performances till date. Creating a winning team from a group of players no one believed had potential. In Mohabbatein though, he was the far more filmy Raj Aryan Malhotra, जो वायलिन बजाते हुए प्यार का पाठ पढ़ाते थे और लीव्स को लव लेटर्स बनाते थे. Such different but equally popular roles. On number 5, Rani Mukherjee, Hichki. A teacher battling Tourette syndrome but not giving up on her dream of being a teacher or losing faith in her students, whom she motivates and supports unconditionally to be the best versions of themselves. Her portrayal was sensitive and nuanced and very enjoyable. On number 6, Archana Puran Singh, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Who can forget Miss Braganza? Aha! Archana Puran Singh seems to have had an absolute blast playing this role. Not to forget her late-night flirtations with Mr. Malhotra. This was one professor all of us would have loved to have. On number 7, Boman Irani, Munna Bhai, MBBS and 3 Idiots. Boman Irani has played a professor in not one but 2 Raju Hirani films, and yet both the characters are completely different. Whether it was the rule-bound Dean Dr. Asthana in Munna Bhai MBBS or the old-fashioned and often hard-hearted Dr. Veeru Sahasrabuddhe in 3 Idiots, Boman Irani breathed life into these unlikable men characters and made the characters iconic.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. Promise me to stay home, stay safe, guys. Go enjoy your weekend. Also, for more Bollywood updates, check out the Zoom Facebook page. Until next time, it's goodbye.